How to change controller settings in Bloodstrike. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In Bloodstrike, you can customize your controls so that you can play comfortably whether you are a beginner or already getting into competitive matches. The first thing to do is to launch open the game and make sure you are inside the lobby screen. Once you're in, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner and this will open the settings menu. From the settings menu, go to the left-hand side menu and click on the controls button. Inside controls, scroll down to controls and look for the controller type you want. From here, you can also go ahead and change the interface settings, driving mode control settings. Just make sure to find the one that you want and which is easier for you to play. Once you are done, you can head back to the game lobby screen and play the game to test out the function. So that's how you successfully change your controller settings in Bloodstrike. Now you can jump back into your game and test your new setup and enjoy smoother, sharper gameplay. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you and stay tuned for more.